was 2018 and I was living in Los Angeles. Ended up having like a really long weekend and didn't know what to do. So I grabbed all my film cameras and decided to go up to Big Sur because I hadn't been. I drove up there, brought all of my stuff, got all the way up to Santa Barbara, and then my clutch gave out and my car wouldn't drive. Called a tow truck, which brought me into the next town. And the mechanic said basically I was gonna be stuck there for 3 days while they got a part and fixed my car. Luckily, the town happened to be cool. So yeah, this is that. With nothing to do, I literally found a motel and started wandering around taking photos because I had 3 days to do nothing. Not really a big fan of the rooftop kind of photo, but you just gotta start shooting. Luckily, the next one kind of turned out. I was walking down an alleyway and I saw this Edelweiss sign, sort of covered in ivy. So I walked through the alleyway and then turned and ended up walking through like one of the main downtown areas, I guess, and saw the shop for the Edelweiss place. And I was like, oh, great. I just took a photo of that. I'll go in. It was a bunch of like little miniature sheep and people and stuff for like miniatures, doll houses, something. I don't know. From there, I continued to take a bunch of bad photos. I took some photos of fences. No idea why. Took a photo of a house. Great. Took some flower photos. Also great. I moved on to more buildings. I was really liking the architecture. It was really kind of cool. This photo I don't really like because you can't see the top of like the little steeple. It's not a little steeple, it's a big steeple or whatever. It's fine. Nothing crazy. Great blessings be upon me. Thank you. This is my favorite shot of the trip. I really love the depth of the fence and the swing and the house and the tree. It was really cool. I tried to recreate it and replicate it in the next photo with a mailbox. It didn't really work though. More buildings, more stuff to shoot. I was kind of running out after like 2 days of doing this. Took this photo of kind of the sun coming down over the mountains in like sort of the prairie-ish area. And I really like it, except I wish I kind of had a little bit more depth of field or maybe a better subject, but it was fine. I was shooting on the Canon A-1 with a 50mm, and I never have problems with it. And for one reason or another, I got like a partial double exposure just due to some winding error, which is really unfortunate because I liked both of these photos on their own. The photo on the left is a little more naturey. The photo on the right is the motel I was staying at, and it's just unfortunate. I can't really use either photo, but that's fine. You live and you learn. Except I'm not learning because it wasn't really my fault. I probably wound too fast or something. Take your time. You miss some shots. It's fine. It sucks that I paid for it. Not the end of the world. So it was. This was definitely day 2 or day 3. I was really running out of places to go and things to shoot. So I traveled to the other side of the town and found this Santa Ynez mission and wandered around and took some photos because it was sweet. I love the basketball hoop photo. Love the depth and the layering. There was a tour guide walking people through the area. Took a photo of that. Not sure if I nailed the timing of the photo, but it's okay. Also enjoy the cemetery photo. You'll find this out later. I am a sucker for cemeteries. But technically, is this one a graveyard? Graveyards are attached to churches. Cemeteries are just plots of land where they bury people. Generally, the photos on this trip turned out well, which is why I'm doing this. I actually enjoyed a lot of the stuff that I took here, so that's probably about 50% where I'm happy with it. I'd say it's pretty good. I made one final drone stop at the edge of town where my car broke down, just to kind of finish the trip off. It was a fun trip. It was unexpected. I made the best of it. I got some good photos out of it, but I still haven't been to Big Sur, and I'm pissed, and I might have to do a photo trip at some point to make up for lost time.